What's up guys, it's AJ Alburo here, and today I'm gonna be eating some chicken teriyaki. It's a Japanese food, so I just want to give you a shout out to the man who also do food vlogs, and of course go subscribe to his channel guys. And of course, if you really want to see more videos guys, give my videos a like, subscribe, and of course it's gonna be amazing guys. And I want you to check out that clip guys, that I ate the food. Okay, so I'm done eating my food, so for me it's time now to drink some soda. But guys, remember, don't drink too much soda because sometimes it's not good for your health. And of course, you know, I used to get so addicted to soda and drinking, and of course but I will only drink this only for necessary things, like if I get tired, but not for like too much or like 10 bottles a day. No, it's unhealthy. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy guys. And of course, peace out.